Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer videos from your PC to your iPhone easily. If you find this guide useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Once you've done that, leave a like. It really helps out. Now, let's get right into it. Here's the video I want to transfer. The first thing we need to do is open an internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Now open Google Drive. Google Drive is a file-sharing platform that allows us to upload files from our computer and then access them from other devices. To use it, you'll need a Google account. If you use YouTube, you likely already have one. If not, you can sign up for free. Your Google Drive might look different from mine because of different stored files. I recommend creating a new folder to keep things organized. Click on the plus, then click on New button in the top left corner. Select Folder and name it something like Transfer from PC to iPhone. Click Create. Now, double-click on the newly created folder. To upload your video, either drag and drop it into the folder or click on plus. Then New File Upload. Locate the video on your computer, select it, and click Open. The upload time will depend on your internet speed and file size. Once uploaded, the video may take a few minutes to process before you can view it on Google Drive. Once your videos are uploaded, switch to your iPhone. Open the App Store, go to the Search tab, and search for Google Drive. Download and install the app if you haven't already. After installing, open the Google Drive app and sign in with the same Google account you used on your computer. Once signed in, navigate to the folder we created earlier, Transfer from PC to iPhone. Here, you should see all the videos you uploaded. To download a video to your iPhone, tap on the three dots next to the video, select Send a Copy, and then tap on Save Video. Your iPhone will now process the download. Once it's complete, open the Photos app and you'll find the video saved there, ready for you to use. Now you know how to transfer videos from your PC to your iPhone using Google Drive. If this video helped you, go ahead and leave a like. And if you want more useful tutorials, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.